Video to show you how to take this slide off this IMI sp-21 Barak. It's that Obama. First of all, we want to make sure that the weapon is clear, physically and visually inspected. So yeah, man, he was like, man, it's around in the chamber. Can you look at it and get it out and show me how to disassemble it? So basically, to get the round out the chamber, I just held onto the slide like this and popped it with the heel of my hand like that, and it came out the ejection port. But I'm gonna just show you real quick on how to release this. What I like to do is get my knife, and this part right here is attached to this lock slide. So what you want to do is take tension off of this by pulling back on your slide just a little bit, and then you take your knife and push on this until it gets flush, like so. So if you look, that's flush now. And you come on this other side, you can see your slide lock is pushed open. And the reason I like to use a knife is because I'll take my knife and kind of slip it up underneath here. And what we're going to do is just take that pressure off that slide again, or take the pressure off the lock and just pry that open. Here you can pull it out. Once you get this out, this whole thing just releases like that, and that's how you take that off. And from there, it's not really hard to disassemble. Now I've already taken this apart because I greased the hell out of this. The reason he had that round stuck in there was because his weapon was all rusted and nasty. So I'm not about to clean this for him, but I just want to give y'all a quick overview on how to disassemble that. And just to put it back, it's just the reverse. I don't know if you can see the hole through there. You see it? See if I push right here, see that? You want to push it back just a hair so you can get that in. And then once you get it all lined up like that, you just push back a little bit and then pop that in. Then you're good to go. All right, well, that's a quick video. Hope it helps you out. Be easy. Peace.